Doorbell ditch. Scene 3. The ending. Here I go.
Trespasser.
Uh-oh. Mrs. Gigglewink is mad.
Oh, big one! Come on. Get up. Drop him, assistant. Come on, get up. Come on, let's go. Come on.
I'm never going to.
Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get in there. Use a flashlight to keep you company.
Yeah! You should
Give him food. The door so that kid doesn't get out.
Mommy! Where's my mommy?
What's that? All right, go. Come on, let's go. That kid. You better not punch.
Kid.
Freaking kid. Alright, stop it! I really have to leave. Guys, I really have to leave.
Okay, we're gonna keep recording though, okay? See ya. Wait, I have to get the stuff though. Keep going. I'm taping. Shoot.
911. What's your home? We have an emergency. I just got kidnapped, but I finally got out. I knocked their jaw in half, but they're coming